Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw shapes on photos in EPIK photo editor. So if you are on EPIK, you'll see that there's a new feature where you can draw shapes into your photo, and you can find the feature at the home page here. So to draw, you can just click on the feature and then choose a photo that you want. For example, I want to add some shape into this photo, so you can see there are a lot of options that you can choose. For example, I want to draw this circle shape here. You can also choose its color. So after that, you can just make the drawing in here. Okay, you can always edit it like this by dragging the edges like this, and you can always change the color. You can also add some, if you want to make it a bolder, you can just drag it to the right, and if you want to make it thinner, you can just swipe it to the left like this. And after that, you can also add another one. If you want, you can add like this, and you can choose the shape that you want, like this, for example. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.